I need another tourniquet.
You'll see bystanders helping a police officer that's been shot. And I hope the thing that you notice right away is the police officer's white, and the bystanders who are helping try to save his life aren't. Now, he's just shot in the leg, but he's bleeding out, and they need a tourniquet. Some other police show up and bring him the tourniquet. But what I want you to notice is this is just Americans helping another American. There is not a soul there who's thinking black and white. Now, this struck me because I live in the South, and I live in an integrated community, and I grew up in an integrated community, and I know what the race baiters and the divisionists and the Marxists want to sell us is something other than the truth. The truth is, we get along pretty well. We have almost everything in common, and if we'll just try the few things that we don't have in common, we can live with one another and talk about those things. This, in this video right there, that's what America really looks like, not what you're being sold in movies and magazines and on television and on the news and even in music. What you're being sold there is a lie. This video right here is living proof of what this country is. We're going to get through this tough time, and we're going to be better for it.